In this video, you will learn about adverb phrases. This topic is a part of adverbs. As learned earlier, an adverb is a word that adds information to an action. For example, she is running quickly. Quickly describes the action or verb running. Quickly is an adverb. A phrase is a group of words in a sentence which does not express a complete thought. For example, near the restaurant or last night. Adverb phrases give more information about questions like how, where, when, or why something was done. The time an action was performed can be an adverb phrase. For example, she ran in the morning. In the morning gives more information about the verb run. It is an adverb phrase. The place an action was performed can also be an adverb phrase. For example, she ran to school. To school gives more information about where the girl ran. It is an adverb phrase. Let us take an example. I parked the car tells us that the speaker parked their car. To give more information about where the car was parked, you can add the adverb phrase right here to the sentence. I parked the car right here tells us that the car was parked at a particular place. Adding the adverb phrase near the restaurant to the sentence tells us where the car was parked. Adding the adverb phrase last night to the sentence tells us when the action took place. Adverb phrases which answer the question how are known as adverbs of manner. Adverb phrases which answer the question how long are known as adverbs of frequency. Phrases which answer the question where are adverbs of place. Phrases which answer the question when are adverbs of time. You will learn about each of these adverbs in the next few videos. Now you know what an adverb phrase is and how it adds information to a verb in a sentence.